Want to know how to download and sign up for Evernote app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already onto my Play Store. Now tap on the search for apps and games option. Insert here Evernote and tap on this particular app. Now tap on install. Next to this open option, you'll have an install option if you haven't installed it yet. Wait for it to get it downloaded and installed. You can see that I have already installed it. So I'm going to tap on open option. I am onto the very first section of the Evernote app itself. I am going to get signed out with my email address. You can even choose Google to continue it. I'm going to keep my email address and tap on continue option below. Now keep my password, a stronger one that should be at least of 8 minimum characters, and fulfill all of the requirements asked by the Evernote app itself. When you're done, tap on this create account below. You can see that just by doing it, you are almost ready to create your account and you can start a free trial here. If you don't want to, you can tap on this crossbar on the top left corner. You can see that you're being welcomed and tap on great, let's go. If you want to skip it, you can tap on this crossbar on the top left corner and tap on quit tour to get into your home section already. So this is how you do it. You can see that I am onto my new account of the Evernote app itself, and I've already created one new account, and you can also do the same. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. For more videos related to Evernote, go into our channel and check more of it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.